Hello. So in your box you will have the top part of the floor lamp and the bottom part of the floor lamp and the pipes. For 9 globes you will have 3 pipes, and for 7 and 5 you will have 2 pipes. This is 7 globe ones. First there is a cable coming from the top part. Take the top part cable, put this in this pipe. There is nothing on each side. Run the wire, pull it out, and tighten it. And this part will go on the first. Let's tighten this one before we put it on. There's a connector. This connector connects 2 pipes together. And then move the wire in the second pipe. And same way tighten second pipe, the first one. Screw in. Sure it's tight. And the last one is the bottom part. This is a little tricky. It's a little heavy. It's difficult to tighten it together, but I will try. Try to hold it with your. Şunu tutsana bir. My friend is helping. Çevir. It would be good to get some help from somebody about this bottom part. Nice tight. And the connection. Most of the time we have black wire, but in this case we have this wire connectors. Take it off. Put this wire, let's say blue to blue, but color doesn't matter actually. And take this one out. Put the wire in. And that's it. You can put the floor lamp up.